In this video, we will explain the differences between placing survey control points either on or off the item being measured. The set of survey control points that we use to move the instrument can be placed on or off the item being measured. When the control is placed on an item, the item can be moved during fabrication while the control remains valid and usable. This is the best option provided the control points can be placed on the item in a way that gives good shape and scale, and you can see 4 or more control points from each setup of the instrument. With this option, ensure that the control points are positioned in stable areas on the item. If the ongoing fabrication will affect these locations, you should use control points that are not on the item. With the control placed off the item, the previously discussed issues will no longer be a problem. If the item is moved, however, the control becomes invalid for this item, and you'll need to start the survey again.